Salmon is the giver of life and what provides our people to sustain life. And if it weren't for the salmon, then we wouldn't be here. We are called the people of the salmon for a reason, because that's what we are about.
I tell my kids, this is the dying industry. It's not going to be for them. As I was growing up, there was abundance of salmon in my younger days. Now it's a struggle.
The biggest issue we've run into has been the warm summers, and we've had issues with that, especially at our facility. Salmon don't like warm water, they're cold water fish. So once we start getting up past 65, they're still okay, but we start running into disease issues. Going past 65 into the 70s, then stress jumps, dissolved oxygen levels in the river and on our ponds will get low. We run into issues with that.
It's been so warm that water is not good for adult fish. And so what you saw was the adult mortality that we're experiencing. But if you go to all the other hatcheries in the state, they are in the same boat as we are, because it's just warm. The water's warm.
Everything works together in the big picture. You lose salmon, you lose not just salmon, but it's all a domino effect. But you got to figure out where the start of that is. Why are we losing the salmon? And we got to figure out and fix those issues, and then in turn that will help everything else.